Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here. I got a huge major update. Has to do with the PV300 panels. So after 2 days of testing, I finally got an answer from Pecron. Let me read it for you. I was kind of right the whole time. Let me explain before I read it. So the 200-watt panels, these ones here, hopefully you can see this okay. These panels here, they are 36 volts, okay, open circuit, VOC. The new panels, the 330 watts, are actually 39.6 and possibly just a hair higher. So what happened was the charging, I think this is the other one, but this one. The charging board, sorry, I'm excited here because I found the answer. The charging board of version number 1 was not high enough voltage to accept these panels in series. They've changed all of them in series 2 because they made the panels after they made series 1. So they probably didn't realize or know that they were going to be building such big panels. So the simple thing is if you buy any system now, and you have the newer versions, of course, because they do not sell the older versions, okay? So for all the people that think they have the older version, they don't. They have all version 2s or higher. They're going to send me the circuit board. I'm going to swap it real quick in the front, and I'll make a video with that. Not that anybody needs it, but just in case. But that is why, 100% why, that these in series triggers this safety on the system. Or I think it's that one, whichever one it is. Maybe it's both. The E2000 LFP. So I'm going to put this video up real quick, guys. This is a major update because this is one more piece to the puzzle that we're all helping kind of, fix. Now, actually, I'm going to read the email real quick. Okay, guys? It says, greetings. The reason should be the reason for your E2000 LFP charging board. It is the first version of the charger. This version of the charging board using high specification solar panels is recommended to be connected in parallel. Because the voltage gap will be too large if connected in series, now all E2000 LFPs have been replaced with new charging boards. So this will not happen. Can we send you a newer charging board? Can you replace it yourself? Best regards, Pecron LLC. So I obviously told him yes, because I'm positive I can swap that board. I've seen the boards already. So I'm going to put this up real quick, and then this makes sense now. So this would be, I think, 1.3. But this makes sense of all my frustration of why I could not get the two panels like this, the PV300s, in series to go into port 1 or port 2 of the E2000 LFP. Now it makes sense. Now it makes 100% sense. Okay, I'm going to upload this video real quick. That's great news, guys. So you guys don't have to worry about it. I do. So let me worry about it, and I'll fix mine. And then if you guys were to get the panels, you don't have to worry about it. So that's a plus. But let me update this video. Let me upload this one as folks are waiting, and then we'll talk online. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.